Okay, so hi dear Aquarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal of reading for all the Aquarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 10th of August. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story as it's general reading. For personal reading or healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And want to be a reader like you can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. Let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. What's wrong with my nose? This dot, I don't know what's happening. Let's see. Every day something new is happening. Let's see. Aquarius, your person or your partner's current feelings. We have the Knight of Wands. Okay, this is very on and off, in and out kind of unstable kind of energy. Very passionate, uh, very attractive, but in and out, on and off, unstable. Let's clarify the Knight of Wands. They're like wearing their heart on their sleeves kind of energy. Let's see. We have the Empress, the Eight of Pentacles, the Seven of Swords. This person is feeling like having growth and expansion in the situation, and they might be telling you that they feel like having something long term, having something stable between you and them, but they feel like they're not able to put in the effort and energy in this direction as much as they should. Or simply this person is pretending to be participating in the situation equally as you are invested, but they are not truly and honestly invested in this situation, either the way you want them to be and or the way they are pretending to be. There is something off about this situation, and you know it, right? There is something off here. Yeah. Okay, but there is a lot of passion, attraction, and actually a desire also to do something about the situation, but they seem to be too immature, or they seem to be too much in this energy of I will do it, but not doing anything about it. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Aquarius? King of Swords. So from your side you feel like you are very practical, very logical. You have a very cutthroat and clear cut understanding about what you want and what you don't want in the situation. Let's clarify this. King of Swords. We have the Seven of Pentacles, the Three of Wands, and the Nine of Wands. Yeah, you feel like just taking a step back and re-evaluating the situation from a distance, and moving forward and breaking free from the situation, because now you feel like you have the ultimate clarity and truth about the situation, about this person, about this connection. There is no longer this energy of wanting to fix it or wanting to make things work out forcibly, because you feel like whatever you have done is enough, whatever they have done is enough, and now you feel like just waiting and watching and hoping for the time where you will be able to get out of the situation completely and never looking back kind of energy. You're still kind of energetically connected to this situation somehow, and you feel like you should just wait for the time when things are going to get over completely, and you will be able to get move to the next chapter of your life. What's wrong with my nose today? What is happening now? Hmm. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Eight of Pentacles. This person wants to put in the effort and energy in the right direction where they are going to get something, whatever they want to get. Let me clarify this Eight of Pentacles. They want to make something happen in the situation, or maybe want to put in the effort and energy somewhere where they are going to get something. Okay, let's see. We have the Page of Pentacles, the Three of Pentacles, the Star card. See, this person wants to give to the situation. This person wants to give to this collaboration and partnership and heal this situation and remain optimistic and positive that someday everything is going to work out and everything is going to be fine. But they don't want to put in the 100% effort in the situation. They want to give to the situation, but you can say in installments. Like today, I am here for you, and tomorrow maybe I'm not going to be there for you. 2 3 days of the week I am here for you, and I am connecting, and I am doing everything from my side possible to keep things going, and rest of the days I don't even care, but remaining optimistic that things are working and things will work out eventually. And for some of you, to be honest with you, what I'm getting here is that this person might be connected to some other energy, other person, other situation, and they feel like that situation, that connection is more connected to them. They feel more connected to that person, that situation, and they're very optimistic and positive that things are going to work out in that direction, in that situation. That's why maybe they're not able to give 100% of their time and efforts and energy in this direction. Take it how it resonates with you, but there might be somebody in their life or something in their life, maybe work situation, collaboration or partnership or business kind of a deal, where they are investing slowly but surely, and very hopeful and positive that that investment is going to give them something really good in return. But they want to invest in this situation also from their side, but not fully, not total and full devotion kind of energy in this situation. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Aquarius? Nine of Swords. So from your side, you just want to get out of the your head. You just want to get out of this stressful energies of not being able to change anything or heal the situation. You're trapped in the situation. Maybe not physically, emotionally, mentally. You are trapped in the situation. You want to get out. You want to get out of this anxious and depressive kind of energy. It's kind of stressing the hell out of you. Yeah. Let's clarify this. Nine of Swords. We have the Eight of Swords, the Strength card, and the Two of Wands. So you want to keep your tensions and your anxiety and depressions and everything to yourself. You want to be very, very courageous. You want to use all of your strength and courage to just keep going and waiting for the time when you will be able to get out of the situation permanently, and you don't have to face this kind of issue ever in this lifetime again. For some of you, you are so focused on your money, job, career, that area is also having some kind of troublesome energies, and you are more focused on that area, and you are waiting for things to be okay in that area so that you can be able to get over this situation as well. These two things are interconnected here. Hmm? But you are refusing to show anybody how stressful like these energies are for you, and how you are coping with these things, and you are just in this energy of, okay, let me figure it out myself, and I will definitely be able to get over the situation someday. It will take some time, but I will be finally over the situation. I know that you have that knowing inside of you that you will be able to manage it somehow. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 10th of August. We have the Death card. Major transformation. Things are not going to be the same again for you. Something is either going to end properly here and or transform into something totally different from what it is right now. Let's clarify the Death here. We have the Seven of Wands and the Two of Swords and the Nine of Cups. You will be able to get out of some kind of bubble, some kind of, although this is the card of protection, Seven of Wands, protecting yourself from being hurt or being used or abused again. In this case, this is giving me this energy of you getting out of some kind of trap, and although you are not going to feel completely free, and you are not going to feel like, oh my god, finally I found the key and I'm totally free and I can now fly like a bird, but you will be able to get out of some kind of trapped energies, and you are going to feel happy about it. You are going to be like, okay, finally the wish is granted, wish is kind of on the way of fulfillment. It's not complete wish fulfillment or complete wish coming true kind of energy, but this is initiation of that part where you will be able to finally get rid of some kind of energy that's going to be permanently transformed or permanently shut down. Although you are not going to be completely free, completely out of this trap, you are going to be mostly out of the situation. After that ending or after this transformation, You will not be able to understand immediately what you should do and what you should not do, and what is the path ahead of you, but you are going to feel happy about it, that at least you are coming out of it, even if not fully, but at least you are coming out of it. And that's a very, very big thing for you. Okay, that's a very, very big thing. That's kind of a good news for you. This is a good news for you. Okay, for you the guidance is the Nine of Pentacles. Even if you are feeling trapped in a situation from all the directions and you are not able to understand what you should do, start with yourself, how you're feeling, how your emotions are changing, how your moods are changing, how your body is reacting, what you are feeling right now at this present moment, what's going on in your head right now at this present moment. Stay connected with your heart and soul, and start with your body, how your body is reacting these days to these circumstances, these changes, these things that's happening around you. Take care of your body, move your body, do something about it, and it will take care of your mind also. So take care of your body first, and then come to your mind, and then come to your emotions. And this way, if you are going to be more and more aware of these things, you are going to find relief in this present. You will start finding relief in the present moment only. Okay, this is how the system works. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.